Start recording for YouTube.
You can just use AirDrop.
What's up, Yash?
You better get in there.
Oh, these freaking ads, dude. Man, that music's too... Is there like a beat we can do? Huh. I want Zach's apartment if I win. Is that music good enough for volume wise, guys? Zach, I'm gonna take my headphones out. Alright, dope. Alright, market should open now. Yep, market open. Let's lock in, ladies. Alright, let's see. Let's see what the market wants to do today. How'd everybody's weekend go? Good? Splendid? Went fishing? There you go. Real nice. Yash, I saw your Instagram story. You were friggin' like racing or some shit the other night.
A.m. and I'm done for the day. And I took this setup, and you're probably wondering, like, one, why do I get out so early? And two, like,
Yeah, we formed a bearish S&T before market open on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. But now we came up and swept out these hourly on NASDAQ. I want to be bearish, but let's see. Last time we learned what happened when we married our bias. So again, we got to adapt and see what the market wants to give us. good, Amir. At least you're here. Alright, yeah. NASDAQ came out and took out those London highs too. I'm staying patient today, so I'd rather sit out. But again, I want to see. We have this hourly imbalance coming up here. We're both NASDAQ and ES are both in it now. So let's see what we want to do. Maybe we wanted to take out all these draws. 15-minute. Yeah, no, we'll see. Maybe we want to continue up today. Was there news, didn't Trump tweet something about some good news today with him and Putin or something? Or am I wrong? Let me go to his Instagram. Big day at the White House tomorrow. Never had so many European leaders at one time. My great honor to host them. President Donald Trump. Did they show anything about him speaking or anything? No. Dude, is it me or like do you guys on the weekend? It's probably just trading in general. I feel like it goes so slow. And I feel like I'm a bum when I can't trade. Is that just me? Like I feel like the world stops and it feels longer. Like the weekend feels longer than the week when we could trade. I said like the weekends feel longer than the week when we trade. They just feel freaking, they take forever. It sucks. Yeah, dude, Jam. My weeks have been going by too fast. I don't like it at all. We're already in like the second half of the year, which is crazy. And I'm not worth $1 billion yet. And what the fuck? Crazy. $1 billion would be nice. What does your diet consist of? Same shit pretty much during the week, especially. Usually, my girlfriend makes me like 6 to 7 eggs in the morning with bell peppers. And then lunch, I usually go to Lifetime, so they have those pre-made meals. I'll usually get like steak, potatoes, and 2 pieces of bacon before my workout, and then I'll have a protein shake. And then for dinner, my girlfriend cooks ground beef, rice, eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and like sweet potatoes, something like that. She's in the chat. Her name's Zeta. She's right there. She just typed. Yeah. No, she's a good one. She's a keeper. She is a keeper. Yeah, no, eating out. It's not. I don't know. It's just. I just like staying to a strict diet. It makes my stomach feel better too. I think I get bloated all the time when I eat out. Yeah, no, the older you get, your metabolism's gonna slow down. Happens. Happens to all of us. Create a 5-minute fair value gap on NASDAQ. We're in this big ass 1 hour fair value gap, so. Just got coffee in my eye. Nari, I'm in my prime. How old are you, Nari? You're younger, right? Oh, Nari, you're 46? Or is Zach joking? What up? We got another one joined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think he's 45. He's still young. You're still young. Once we start pushing 50, though, that's when we start our 40s. Alright, let's see what we want to do here. Let's see if we want to react off this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Coming down to this 5-minute on NASDAQ. Yes, we don't have one. Okay. 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 Expect anything special today? Nah, Amir, I'm honestly trying to not trade today because it's a no news Monday, so I don't want to get stuck in chop. In a chip chop. Then we have FOMC on Wednesday. So we'll see. But I want to be bearish today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're 6 away from our record. doing over there, Tito? What are you doing, Tito? Come here. What we think? What we think? What we think? We bearish? Bearish or bullish? Okay. Inverse the 5 minute. Gonna fall asleep. I gotta focus, okay? You gotta go back down. Yes, it's continuing higher. I'm gonna wait for at least a 5-minute break of structure. Why is ES fucking ripping up? ES is ripping, dog. I'm staying patient right now. Is Wing Wong in here? Oh, there he is. Wing Wong, how you been? Yes, sir, Wing Wong. Still on that PA account? Taking your time on it? Alright, dope. Remember, take your time, dude. When I started on my evals this time around, I was in the hole right away. Like, I was minus 600 on drawdown. Yup, stick to your rules. You know what you're doing. I want to see if we break structure to the downside here on NASDAQ. If we break structure with an inverse, I'll like it. I will like it. Just don't take out those lows yet, and I'll be happy with you. If not, I'll be mad. I just don't know what else to target, dude, because there's nothing in our way, and this is 126 point move. Only thing I don't want to happen is us taking out these lows, right, and then forming that S&T, because ES is still up here, dude. Don't you dare take out those lows, dog. Oh, you're gonna do it. On a no news Monday, dude, do we do extendo clips all the way down here? This is right. That's what I'm saying. Oh, NASDAQ took him out. Both draws. There you go, Yash. Gave me the confidence I needed. Yes, sir. I shouldn't be tired. This coffee should be giving me energy, but it just makes me want to shit. We should put a warning label. Alright. 15 seconds.
This message is brought to you by Apple Card. Did you know Apple Card is designed to help you pay off your balance faster with smart payment suggestions? And because fees don't help you, Apple Card doesn't have any. So if your credit card isn't Apple Card, maybe it should be. Subject to credit approval. Apple Card issued by Goldman Sachs Bank USA, Salt Lake City branch. Variable APRs range from 18.24% to 28.49% based on credit worthiness. Rates as of July 1st, 2025. Terms and more at applecard.com.
See if we tap into this one. No news Monday, dude. I don't want to. We already took out sell sign a little bit. I know we're probably going to take out London lows and these 4-hour lows, but do I got the balls to run? Hey man, because I got the rock. I'm in a Beyonce. Give me a break of structure on ES. Yep, doop, bop, boom, bop, boom. If we don't form an SMT at these lows, dude, I'm gonna run extendo clips. See you, Jam. Peace out. Have a good day. Is ES gonna create equal lows for us? Ba-boom, boom. Don't take him out, motherfucker. Break structure. Give me a retracement. The note that I gave you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The fuck kind of gap is that? I'm just thinking. I didn't enter a trade yet. Someone did. There you go, Cash. Yes, sir. Hold on, I'm gonna lock in real quick. Skirt, skirt. Ooh. Interested? Interested? There you go, Yas. Are we gonna form that S&T though off of London lows? We got equal lows on ES. Equal lows. What are you trying to do to me, Monday? Are you trying to chop me out? reverse that 5 minute, which I don't like. If we look at the 15 minute, I don't like what we're doing. We're just chopping. Like we're just stuck in this range. I know, Box. We did form a 5 minute S&T from these lows. But again, we got equal lows on ES. Those are gonna get smacked. We've got equal 5 minute lows right here. Those gotta get smacked. It just matters when. Green shorts. What happens that? Here comes those shorts. something here. Give me a little something here. Come on. Come on. Give me a little something. Give me a little taste. Give me a little taste here.
From Geico Subconscious News, I'm Tammy Racing Thoughts, broadcasting from your brain. Tonight's top worry: if something happens to your apartment,
Oh yeah, come on.
stay in a hotel and pay for it. That would be crazy, right? Heart palpitations has more.
It's perking.
It would be crazy, Tammy, but you got surprisingly affordable renter's insurance through Geico, so it could be covered, giving you peace of mind.
Aw, I love a story that ends well.
Next up, love stories. Are they all they're cracked up to be?
Worry less and get more with
Come
Geico.
on, why are you gonna close like that? What are you doing? Why are you gonna close like that? You gonna make me wait another minute? I swear if we get a big down candle here and I can't even get an entry on this and we take out those equal lows, I'm going karate chop style on my screen. Don't you do it! Don't you do it! Don't you do it! I'm staying patient. I need this closure. Okay, what the hell is that? Come on, really? You couldn't inverse that for me? I'm still not in. Down like baby Chico. Still not in. I know we want you those equal lows. What are we doing? We gotta want those equal lows, dude. Appreciate it, yes. I'm fucking freezing right now, dude. Usually I'm hot in this room. Ugh. You gonna step in, sellers, or what? I've taken ashwagandha before. Uh-oh, big girl's coming in. Hi, Mom. No, don't inverse that. Boo. Alright, you didn't inverse it yet. Oh, sure, you're back to the upside though. Go. Honey, could you grab me a sweatshirt, please? Like I said, home round. I don't want to inverse this bearish fair value gap. If we do, I'm probably not. Nah. Poop. Poop. I want those equal lows. Thanks, throw it. Great throw. Still not entering. I want an inverse there. Or at least a break of structure back down, but then that's going to be a terrible risk to reward. Yeah, right now, Yas, I take that Alpha Brain stuff. I'm not in a trade, just so everybody knows. I'm not in a trade. I really wanted that bullish fair value gap to get inversed for me to enter. But, yeah. Yeah, look up Alpha Brain. Well, it looks like we would have been stopped out here if I did enter, but that's why I wait for my candle closure. That's why we wait. Let's see if we would have been stopped out. That's crazy. I really think we're going to come down and take out these equal lows. I just don't know what we want to do first. Runny nose right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Not bad. We need to beat 21 for our record, or 20. I think we got 19 last week. I want to see if we're going to break structure in the 5 minute to the upside. But it's already 10-18. I really think we're going to take out these lows. Did we just form a 1 minute SMT? I think we did. ES formed a high and a higher high. NASDAQ formed a high and a lower high. Stop licking me. Let's see if we can get a break of structure and an inverse fair value gap here. I want these 1 hour, these equal lows, dude. And again, we're just chopping. If we break structure to the upside, I'm probably not going to trade, guys. On the 5 minute, if we break structure. Alright, look, we would have been stopped out. So we would have been stopped out on that trade if we took it. But again, I wanted a candle closure below this one minute bullish fair value gap to take that trade and target. This is first TP, second, third. But we didn't want that. Yeah, it's just some ass. It's all good, Zach. You're good. Today's price action is just ass right now. Oh yeah, that's nothing, Zach. Minus 200 for you is good. You're fine. I took a huge loss, pretty unlucky. I think I already put my stop loss on the turning point. It happens, it happens. We just gotta remember, today's Monday, Amir. Like, it's no news Monday. We have FOMC on Wednesday. Like, if we look at the 15-minute time frame, that's what I was kind of focusing on. It's just, we just have no intended direction, I feel like, especially on NASDAQ. And we're about to break structure back to the upside. So we originally inversed a fair value. We inversed a bearish fair value gap, broke structure to the upside. Then we inversed a bullish fair value gap, broke structure to the downside. Now we inversed a bearish fair value gap, and we're about to break structure back to the upside. You know, that's just, yeah. And again, we're in a big ass 1 hour fair value gap. It's like, do we want to disrespect this? Or are we just going to come up, fill it even more, and then continue down again? Took lows. And we took lows and the highs. We took highs first, then lows. So we took both draws. Market opened, instantly came up, took out London session highs. ES already took those out before. And then we came back down. Formed that 5 minute S&T. Form this. Let's see if we formed a 15 minute S&T. Yeah, we formed a 15 minute S&T also. 15 minute S&T. 5 minute break of structure to the upside. Just broke 5 minute structure. Maybe we want these highs. Dude, this is gonna be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Four days I don't trade in a row. This is gay. Just gonna leave 15-minute equal. $15-minute equal lows, you said? Yeah, right here, dude. That's what I'm saying, Zach. Like, I thought we were at least gonna take those out. Those were 5-minute lows at one point. Now they're 15-minute lows. And on Nasdaq. Yep, and on Nasdaq, dude. Yeah, I don't know, dude. We have two forms equal lows on both indexes. Those gotta get whacked. It just matters when. How do I look with this hoodie on right now? I probably look like a... Like I never left. What trade did TGR hit to the downside? What trade did he take? He banked 22K off it. TJR hit a $22,000 trade today off shorts. It's all good, Zach. You got plenty of room. You've been there before and you built back up way higher. Maybe TJR took it off of these highs here. We came up inverses for right. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Here comes a big move down. You want those equal lows or what? Holy shit. Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. We formed hourly high here. Excuse me. We formed an hourly high off that candle closure at 10. Might want to sweep that. And then continue down to those equal lows. Oh. I think we do. It's just going to be one big ass dump, dude. Come on. Really? Really? Oh. Oh. Yeah, we react off that, Amir. Wow. These bastards. I don't know. This is price action I don't want to trade right now. Look at the 15-minute right here. I don't think I'm going to trade. We're going to probably take out these equal lows. But again, fuck today. Wow. Yep, we inversed all these fair value gaps. This one, I want that fair value gap to get traced into. Like, did we break structure to the downside again? We did. I want to come into this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. My boys! This is the day in the life of a 400K funded trader. That's an ad on YouTube. This is the life of a 400K funded trader. Don't you dare, Zach. Yeah, it's a lot of ups and downs right now. I think we're going to react off this 1 minute right here. I don't want to take it though. I want to see us at least break structure or something. If we break structure though, it's all the way down here. I want to see us at least like invalidate a bullish fair value gap or something if we go up into this bearish. You know, or break a structure or... I wake up, still can see the parking mile. We just have equal lows on both, dude. Those equal lows gotta get smacked. Ha. It'll be good. We broke structure to the downside on NASDAQ, which is interesting, right? Did we break structure? We did. Correct? We did. Okay, hold on. Hold on a second. You might be looking good here, Zach. Ah, come on. You gotta break even. Smart. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. Alright, this is my last opportunity. This is the last opportunity. If we don't get it, I'm done. If we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap, I'm done. I'm not in a trade yet. I mapped it out. Just know what I'm risking. Old Spice. What's the 5 minute looking like on NASDAQ? We didn't break structure yet. Really? That's how you're gonna close on me, dog? You got problems. Yes, you got problems. I'm still not in. Yeah, no, Zach, you did the right thing. You know what you're doing. You know, you felt yourself about to crash too, so it's best to just walk away when that happens. I think we're so focused on these lows getting hit too, it's like blinding us. That how bad, like price action is not moving at all. Like there's no there's no big money in the markets right now. Nobody's moving the market. But again, I think we're so stuck on those equal lows, which will probably end up getting hit. But we'll see. I'm giving this the last chance. Ugh. This should be first TP for me. Second, third. Here we go. Here we go. What? We didn't close under that. No way. Still not in. What is this shit? Oh my god. Wow. Don't do it to me, dog. Alright. Alright, I'm in. Stops at 73.50. $61's my first target. Right, what is this? 61. 2. 56, 25, 56. 53. 73. All right, TP1 about to hit. Let's see. Don't edge me. Don't edge me. Those lows got hit on NASDAQ, which I don't like, dude. I literally just got edged. Still have it running. Alright, TP1 hit. I'm going back to break even. I have 2 runners left. I'm holding them. Holding my runners. $69 is where I have my stop. Those equal lows needed to get hit, so I'm gonna see if we could still run down to at least London lows on ES. But I'm basically stopped at break even. I de-risked a little bit on this trade too, but we have $52 locked. We'll see what wants to happen. I'm just gonna let him run. Those equal lows did get smacked, so. If we inverse this 1 minute, we're going to get stopped at break even. So I'm going to put my stops above that 1 minute fair value gap. Hopefully that could push us down a little bit more again. I want to see if NASDAQ's going to inverse it. NASDAQ's tapping into it now. I'm going to hold it. Again, worst case we get stopped at break even. We're still in profit on the day. Nothing big, but I'd like it to run. But again, I said I was going to start working on letting my runners run. So we'll see what happens. Alright, we're coming into the 1 minute. See if we can get a reaction off this, or we just want to sweep these lows and then start continuing up and just targeted those equal lows. Yeah, knock him right out of his socks, yeah. Alright, let's see what we want to do here. So make us or break us. I'm still in. Looks like we're gonna get stopped at break even. We're still in. Still in. Still in, but it looks like we're gonna get stopped at break even. It looks like we're gonna inverse this. Yeah, we inversed it. We're probably gonna get stopped out here. We're still in. I moved my stop loss above this high. So we'll be stopped out in a little bit of profit, but again, it'd be break even. But I'm just going to let it do its thing. We're probably going to get stopped there, but we'll see. As we inverse that 1 minute. Yep, probably gonna get stopped on this candle right here. And yep. Alright, break even on that trade. We only locked in $50 per account. So 50 times 7, $350. I mean, not the best trade. Well, I don't know. We wanted those equal lows. But again, risk the reward here for full TP wouldn't have been good. So again, we had the 75% off here, then 100% off. I think we played it right. Setting price to break even after that. So yeah, bad PA. I'll take the trade. I think I managed it well. And again, I told myself I'm gonna start working on letting my runners run. So because that's been holding me back on these PA accounts. I could be up in a lot more profit. But again, I want to work on letting these runners run. We let them run there, put price to break even. We de-risked on that trade too. So, I mean, $350. We'll take it, I guess. I don't know. But we'll take it. I'll put that in the wins and losses chat. All right. Well, I mean, today was kind of booty cheeks, but it's all right. There you go, Amir. Did you hit that trade? Or did you press buy? I don't know if you did. Green is green. Yeah, green is green. I knew we wanted those. Well, I didn't know. Again, it's all based off of probability, but we don't leave equal lows like that. Even Zach said it. It's like we can't. Equal lows are a very strong draw on liquidity. We had to want those, especially on the 15-minute, dude. And as you can see, when we targeted those, we ripped down. But I think we just wanted to grab liquidity down below now, and now we'll probably continue up. But again, it's no news Monday. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, like, this is shit. We're like just in a range. So I would consider that trade. I just took a quick little scout. 1 cent. Yeah, no, definitely. But again, I de-risked on that trade, Wing Wong. I only went in 4 micros on ES. So I was risking to make 13 point, or let's say 14. Yeah, I was risking 120 to make around, probably with partials. It says 280 if I let it fully run. Probably with partials 220. Again, I think that was worth it. Hit first TP at those equal lows, and then set the break even. Hope for the best that they would run, but didn't want to. So yeah, I still risked half of what I usually risk. I risked like 200, so I still de-risked a little bit. So. But, yeah, what we could do there. Yeah, I was only up $100 and something total at the most part. So again, I only lost like $50, $60 a drawdown. Because again, it's trailing. So, be good. Run that poll. Oh, yeah. All right, we're running that poll. Zach, how do I do that? Again, guys, stay in here real quick because we're starting to do the giveaways. Create poll. Everybody stay in real quick. I think I did that right. Okay, everybody if you're here, click here. If you're not, don't click not here. So, again, get your votes in, and then at the end of next week, we'll do the first giveaway. Again, we're going to do it every 2 weeks now because I want to do this correctly. And again, I promise you guys, we're going to do more giveaways as when the Discord gets bigger. I promise. But right now, we're going to do a giveaway every 2 weeks, and we're going to see how it goes, and then we'll go from there. We'll Zach and I will talk how we'll give you guys the money. We'll probably just send you the amount for the 80% off discount for Apex or something like that. So whatever, $33 or something, and you guys will be able to use that money for it. So, but it's just for the eval. Just remember that. It's for the eval. So you'll be able to get a free eval. You can do whatever you want with it. You can full port it. You could, I don't know, whatever you want. No, we're not paying activation. Not yet, Cash. Once we're making a little bit more money, yeah, we'll do that. I'll keep it completely honest with you. But look at this shit, dude. Is it going to really come back down?
Make sure you guys post your wins and losses.
But alright, I'll have my girlfriend will keep track of all these votes, guys, and then we'll put them in a random generator. Again, if you enter every time, you get, let's say you do it 5 times out of the week, that's 5 entries. You do it if you're in every live 10 times, because again, we do it every 2 weeks, you get 10 entries. So the more you're in, the more entries you get, and then we'll put it into a random name generator or something like that, whoever gets picked, and then we'll go from there. Sound good? See? Yeah, terrible price action today, guys. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Pretty much it. We just gotta try and enjoy this shit, even when we lose. Again, I'm on like a fucking 4-loss streak. That was the first trade I've taken in four days. But again, of course, it's a break even, right? Right, Turb? Speak. Say hi to everybody real quick. Can you say bye? Can you speak? Speak. Yeah, good boy. High five. High five. No. Jiggle butt. All right, guys. Yeah, I took a break even trade today. 1 TP hit, and that's all she wrote. Sound good? Back at it tomorrow. Yes, sir. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Oh, shit. Zach's talking. Oh, is he? He's still in here? Hold on. I'm coming, Zach. I had to put my other headphones in. Hello?
You.
What's up?
I was just telling people to post their wins and losses.
Yeah, guys, push your wins and losses for us, please. It just keeps the Discord running.
And also, you guys could post the community recaps.
Yep. That's another one, too.
Yeah, pretty bad price action. I was about to go on sale.
No, it's good you didn't. I think you did good with exiting the trade.
That second trade was impulsive.
Well, that you noticed that. I don't care if he went in your direction. You knew it was impulsive. If you can spot that now, it's gonna help you in the long
It
run.
wasn't necessarily impulsive. It was a good setup. It just wasn't the best risk reward because we
Yeah,
came up.
it's understandable.
Stop.
I think you did good today, dude.
Stop there, then I would.
Today's price action was shit. It looked bearish, but like as you can see, we're chopping. I don't know. I want to go back and watch TJR's. I want to see his trade recap because I don't know what he took to make 20K.
Yeah, he probably took a fucking 10-point move for 20K.
Yeah, that is true.
Now he's risking.
That is true. That is true. But again, I don't know. You think I managed my trade good? Probably, right?
Yeah, for sure.
You think so? It was probably smart to go break even there.
No, it was, yeah.
Yeah, target those equal lows, and if it wanted to run, it could have ran. I took 50% off at the equal lows, and then I left one runner to the London, and then another runner to the 4 hour. So. All right, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow. Everybody have a good day. Peace out.